Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So everybody, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market as well. Today, although only yesterday we have prepared an update on the cryptocurrency, the situation is changing rapidly here, and you can see market actually mostly completed the trade on a daily chart. So in general, our last suggestion was actually the strategy is to buying on the dips, and that should be safe, and it's best approach to the market currently. Do not make any attempt to go short by far, since just crazy momentum on the Bitcoin stands. And under impact of the greed of this momentum, the people who have missed opportunities to take the part in this rally will be really desired to take the position and will trying to catch any bounce that they will get on this situation. Even if rally is over, even if market will start to follow, to drop, first few retracements probably will be bought out by the people who think that this rally still stands valid and is trying to take the position with this. This is actually the background, the core of any momentum trade on any market, not on the Bitcoin. So, and as a result, you can see what will happen. Initially, we said that will be great chance to buy right at this 36 area, because we thought that might be the brand balance will be oversold at the FIB support, and indeed, take a look at the first touch, we see significant bounce up, approximately for 60% of this drop. But overall scale is too small, and very soon it has been played out, and you can see market has dropped even stronger back to the confidence support. It's 32, 60 area, 33, 16 area approximately, where you have got the daily brand body trade. So market hits the major support, 30% of the whole thrusting action. This was not the brand body on the daily, because it was based on the FIB level that stands from this reaction point. So it's too small for us to treat it as a brand body. But this one, where you're involving the whole thrusting action, that was clear Jordan Apple brand body trade, whose market stands with it right now. And currently we're coming to the moment where we need to keep an eye on what will happen here. It's obviously that brand body will be completed somehow, but most interesting what will happen next on the market. For that purpose, we need the intraday chart. So on the follow time frame chart, you could see the target of the brand body trade. Trade here is 37.45 approximately. This is a theoretical target. Market could proceed high. Actually, it shows deeper upward action. But at the same time, guys, what I'm interested in this price action is that take a look at the overall shape of this, how it stands. Personally, it reminds me kind of the bullish engulfing type of action. And I suggest that since we have the strong upward momentum here, forming of this kind of the bullish engulfing, once the retracement down will start and will happen, we still could get another attempt at extension here. In other words speaking, I'm not excluding the scenario where we will get a kind of the guarded cheaper to sell here with this a bit deeper upward action. For that purpose, you could keep an eye on the potential pattern. It stands right here. So once market will complete the brand body trade, it's approximately 37.45 as I said, keep an eye on what will happen next. So for example, it could be some kind of action like here. So market hits predefined level, showing deeper retracement back in the body of our so-called engulfing pattern, right? So it could be either to the same lows, or maybe lows will be slightly smaller. It's not very important. And then we could get another attempt to go high just based on the momentum that we have in the market. So its retracement could be deeper, somewhere back to the 39. So we could calculate it better when we will get this low in place. So that's a possible scenario that you could consider. For example, if you have missed opportunity to take a position with the brand body, you could consider this possible scenario. If market will just start moving above this area, well, in this case you will not be able to take the position. Or, for instance, if this will start dropping right back down, showing no reversal, just straightforward downward action, in this case we also will not get the chance to go long, because it will tell you that market is going lower. It will be deeper downside action. But currently at this moment, chances exist that this could happen because of the momentum, because it's strong oversold on the daily chart, and that's particular pattern that we will keep an eye on. If this really will happen, and we will get the market right here, in this case we will get the second pattern on the fall diaphragm chart, and as I said, that could be the large garbage triple to sell that we will also intend to consider. That's actually all that we could do currently on the Bitcoin market. As you can see, price action more or less stands on the intraday charts. Let's see what will happen here.